Hello, my name is Mario Bosch with Clean Cut Landscape of Metairie. We are in Metairie today completing this landscape design and installation. We also installing some LED antique bronze garden lights. That's a path light, nice spotlight to uplight these nice oak trees. Should be very nice tonight. We also are prepping for zoysia sod. We did a soil test. We always do a soil test on our gardens and lawns before we do any planting, and we correct with the right amendments to get it to the right pH so everything grows well. As you can see, we've got a nice layout in here. We haven't mulched yet, but it's about to happen. We've got some Xanadu, we got some Japanese yews in the back, shishi camellias in the front, foxtail fern to give you some nice leaf texture and a variation in color. And then we bordered the walkway with some wintergreen boxwoods. We're gonna put some nice pink caladiums in. And for this shade garden, this is gonna be really nice. We're gonna top it all off with crushed pine needle mulch. So it should look spectacular. Right now, I've got my guy installing the lights. We use weatherproof connectors when we install these lights, so all the connections are tight and clean. The grass will be going down later today. It will be complete. We will do a video once all is finished and let you see how beautiful this yard will look. If you need your landscape done correctly, on time and on budget, call Clean Cut Landscape at 415-1438 or visit our website at cclanddesign.com.